So we're out here today scoping out potentially new tours with Sunny, who's one of our Edinburgh guides and has been a guide with us the longest. Invisible Cities is a social enterprise that I set up back in 2016 with the aim of training people who have had an experience of homelessness to become tour guides of their own city. So what we want is to use travel and tourism as a positive experience, let people train, learn new skills, gain confidence, provide employment directly for those who become guides, and then also showcase our cities and our stories in a different way. So on the tours, we talk about the invisible side of our cities, and that may be unknown stories, unknown characters, unheard of communities, and we also talk about personal stories. So after 2016, we expanded not only in Edinburgh, but also through the UK with now 6 different locations where we do exactly the same. When people say, what is the impact? To date, we've trained 135 people. We employed 20 people. Success for me is to be recognized as a sustainable travel player and to be, setting up the blueprint for how we can do travel differently. And I think that working with others in collaboration is incredibly important, and probably the most important thing, to never underestimate the power of, other social enterprises coming in and telling you what they're doing and how you could work with them, or sometimes just kind of 2 people talking to each other. I've had a lot of advice and a lot of support from other entrepreneurs who said, I'm having a hard time. Are you having a hard time? And just that, never underestimate how important that is, because it really got me through tough times. So that would be another piece of advice, is to start networking and talking to people. And even if it's just a beginning of an idea, I think the minute you say it out loud, it becomes real and you can garner support around you.